Antarctica, a frozen wilderness at the bottom of our planet. It's a place of mystery, beauty, and immense importance to our world. But something alarming is happening here. The Antarctic ice is melting, and the consequences could affect us all. Let's dive into why this is happening and what it means for our future. The primary culprit? Climate change. Over the past century, human activities have significantly increased the concentration of greenhouse gases in the atmosphere. This has led to a rise in global temperatures, a phenomenon commonly referred to as global warming. Rising global temperatures are warming the oceans, causing a cascade of environmental changes. Warmer oceans absorb more heat, which accelerates the melting of ice in polar regions, which in turn melts the ice from below. This underwater melting is particularly concerning because it destabilizes ice shelves, making them more prone to breaking apart. At the same time, greenhouse gas emissions are amplifying this effect, disrupting the delicate balance that keeps Antarctic ice intact. The more greenhouse gases we emit, the more heat gets trapped in our atmosphere, further accelerating the melting process. Alex, imagine this. Antarctica's ice acts like a giant thermostat for our planet. It regulates temperatures and helps maintain the climate balance. When this ice melts, it's like turning up the thermostat, causing a ripple effect across the globe. When it melts, it doesn't just raise sea levels, it disrupts weather patterns, ocean currents, and ecosystems worldwide. This can lead to more extreme weather events, such as hurricanes and droughts, and can severely impact marine life and coastal communities. Over the past few decades, scientists have observed a rapid loss of ice in Antarctica. This icy continent, once thought to be stable, is now showing alarming signs of change. Researchers from around the world are working tirelessly to understand the implications of this ice loss. They study ice cores, which are like time capsules, revealing the history of Earth's climate. These ice cores show us how the climate has changed over thousands of years and help predict future trends. It's estimated that the continent is losing around 150 billion tons of ice every year. This staggering amount of ice melt contributes significantly to rising sea levels. The data collected from satellites and ground observations paint a clear picture of a rapidly changing environment. The melting glaciers are not just a local issue, they have global repercussions. That's enough to cover the state of Texas in water over a meter deep. Imagine the impact on coastal cities around the world. Flooded streets, homes underwater, and displaced communities could become a common sight if the current trends continue. The economic and social costs of such events are enormous, affecting millions of lives. The biggest concern lies in areas like the West Antarctic ice sheet and the Thwaites Glacier, nicknamed the Doomsday Glacier. These regions are particularly vulnerable to rapid ice loss. Scientists are closely monitoring these areas because their collapse could have catastrophic consequences. The Thwaites Glacier alone holds enough ice to raise global sea levels by over 3 meters. If these collapse, they could trigger a chain reaction, leading to significant global sea level rise. This would not only affect coastal regions but also lead to more extreme weather events, such as hurricanes and typhoons. The interconnectedness of our planet means that changes in Antarctica can have far-reaching impacts, emphasizing the urgent need for global action to mitigate these effects. If all the ice in Antarctica were to melt, sea levels could rise by over 58 meters. Coastal cities like New York, Tokyo, and Mumbai would be underwater. Entire ecosystems would be altered, and millions of people would be displaced. Alex, but even a smaller rise, say 1 meter, could have devastating effects. It's not just about water, it's about our homes, food security, and economies. The good news? There's still time to act. By reducing greenhouse gas emissions, investing in renewable energy, and supporting conservation efforts, we can slow down the melting and mitigate its effects. Alex, every small step counts. Whether it's choosing sustainable energy, reducing waste, or simply spreading awareness, we can all play a part in protecting our planet. Research in Antarctica is crucial. This frozen continent holds many secrets beneath its icy surface, waiting to be discovered. The extreme conditions make it a challenging environment, but the potential rewards are immense. Scientists drill deep into the ice to uncover secrets about Earth's climate history. By extracting ice cores, they can analyze layers of ice that have built up over millennia. Each layer tells a story of past climates, atmospheric composition, and even major events like volcanic eruptions. These ice cores act like time capsules, revealing patterns of temperature changes, greenhouse gas levels, and even volcanic eruptions from thousands of years ago. The data extracted from these cores is meticulously analyzed in laboratories, providing invaluable insights into our planet's climatic past. This research helps us predict what might happen in the future if current trends continue. By understanding how the climate has changed in the past, scientists can create models to forecast future changes. These predictions are crucial for preparing for and mitigating the impacts of climate change. It's a race against time to gather data before more ice is lost. As global temperatures rise, the ice in Antarctica is melting at an unprecedented rate. Researchers are working tirelessly to collect as much information as possible, hoping to unlock the mysteries of our planet's climate before it's too late. Antarctica may be far away, but its future is deeply tied to ours. By understanding the problem and taking action, we can turn the tide and safeguard our planet for generations to come. Alex, thanks for exploring this icy journey with me. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video to spread the word. Together we can make a difference. Until next time, stay curious.